Good morning, students. This lesson is of class 10th for the subject of physical education. Topic: Principles of Growth and Development, which is covered in chapter 1, Human Growth and Development, of your textbook titled Health, Physical Education and Sports, and is being submitted to you on 17th May 2021. This voice is of Ms. Kusum. If all students are ready, then let us start with topic principles of growth and development. All of you please listen carefully as I will be asking a few questions in between the chapter. Principles of growth and development. Define growth. Growth refers to increase size, shape, whole body and parts. Similarly, it's measured in pounds, meters, inches, etc. And development is a overall process. It's a lifelong process. Till end we have to learn many things from your family members, from your society. So this is the development. And principles, a fundamental principle, primary or general law or truth from which others are derived. First, cephalocoto. This principle describes the description of direction of growth and development. The head region starts growth at first, following by which other organs starting development. The child gains control of the head first, then the arms, and then the legs. So this diagram shows a person, first head control, then body, then legs. Same as arms, legs. Next, further, infant development, control of the head and face movement. At first 2 months. In next few months, they are able to lift themselves up using their arms. Next, gain control over leg and able to crawl, stand, walk, run, jump, climb day by day. So these all are systematic. First they crawl, then stand, and these are the systematic order to baby start. So second, the process from which the center or midline to periphery directions. Development proceeds from near to far forward from central axis of the body towards the extremities. The directional sequence of development during both prenatal and postnatal stages may either be from head to foot or from the central axis to the extremities of the body. The spinal cord develops before outer parts of the body. The child's arm develops before the hands. The hands and feet develops before the fingers and toe. Fingers and toe muscles are the last to develop in the physical development. Third, growth and development is a continuous process. So in this diagram, I just show that this is an infant, stand, this crawling position, standing, and this is a childhood when run, walk, adulthood, and old age. Both diagrams shows this diagram and this diagram is old age. Then growth and development is a continuous process from conception to death. In the early years of life, development consists of changes that lead the child to maturity, not only of the body size and functioning, but also of behavior. Even after maturity has been attained, development does not end. Changes continue. Even maturity has been attained, development does not end. Changes continue, which leads to the periods of life known as adolescence or old age. These changes continue until death ends the life cycle. Students, before going further in the chapter, let me ask you a few questions. You may kindly listen to the questions carefully and pause the audio video for 3 minutes and write down the answers in your notebook. The questions and answers of this chapter are enclosed with the assignment PDF for your reference and will not be recorded in the video and audio lessons. Growth and development is orderly or sequential process. Every species, whether animal or human, follow a pattern of development particular to it. This pattern in general is the same for all individuals. Social and behavioral scientists increasingly have come to see development as relationship between organism and environment. In a transaction, all children follow a development pattern with one stage leading to next. Ex-infant stand before they walk, draw circle before they make squares. Fifth, influenced by environment and genetic factors. Growth and development is predictable. Development proceeds from simple to complex. Children use their cognitive and language skills to reason and solve problems. Development proceeds from simple to complex. Children at first able hold the big things by using both arms. In the next part, able to hold things in a single hand, then only able to pick small objects like peas, salads, etc. Children, when able to hold pencil, first start draw circle, squares, then only letters, after that the words. Eighth, certain stages growth and development are more critical. Growth is uneven. Coordination between increased size and maturation. Maturation refers to the sequence characteristics of biological growth and development. The biological changes occur in sequential order and give children our new abilities. Changes in the brain nervous system according to the maturations. Children must mature to be certain points before they can progress to new skills. Principles of individual differences. The tempo of development is not even. Individuals difference in the rate and growth and development. Boys and girls have different development rates. Each part of the body has its own particular rate of growth and development. So this all for this lesson. So hope you understand the topic principles of growth and development and required to finish your home assignment questions. Home assignment questions are not recorded in video and audio lessons. So that's all for today. Thank you, students.